Hello everyone, in this quick video I'll show you how to check spelling in Google Sheet because let's be real, even spreadsheet need a spell check. First open your Google Sheet and click on Tools in the top menu. From the drop down, select Spelling, then click Spell Check. Google Sheets will start scanning for misspelled words one at a time. If it finds anything, it will give you suggestion. You can choose change, ignore or add to dictionary if it is a custom word you use often. You can also highlight a specific range of cell before opening the spell check. That's way it only scans the section you care about. And that's how easy it is to check spelling in Google Sheet. If this was helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Google Sheet tips.